Welcome back to Fox 45 Morning News on this Tuesday, June 19th. Thanks for waking up with us. I'm Megan Gilland in for Patrice Sanders.
And I'm Tom Rogers. Developing now, though, cleanup efforts continue after powerful storms really just swept through certain parts of our area.
It was pretty incredible. Amber Miller live in Pikesville, where there's significant damage out there right now. Amber.
That's right. We're right along Reisterstown Road, right at Old Court Road, and this is what we are seeing this morning. The sun is up, and so we can see the damage much more clearly. Damage left by yesterday's storm. Right in the middle of the road here, you can see debris, branches just scattered across the road. Now, under those branches is what we're most concerned about. We're talking about multiple wires coming from two different utility poles along Old Court Road. Also on scene this morning, I'm going to move out of the way so Tony can pan a little bit to the left. You can see Baltimore County Police are in place. They've been in place since we arrived here this morning, just about 5 o'clock this morning. In place, lights flashing just to let anyone know traveling down Reisterstown Road, anyone traveling up Old Court Road, let them know they cannot pass through here. No word just yet on exactly when this cleanup process will begin. But as you can see, this is just the damage that was left behind after yesterday's storm. Just a snapshot of what we're seeing across the region and what you'll need to contend with when you make your way out and about here this morning. So if you had to travel down Old Court Road at Reisterstown Road, make sure you get out a little earlier than normal so that you can make a detour to get to where you need to go on time this morning. We're live in Pikesville. Amber Miller, Fox 45 Morning News.
All right, and Amber showing us some of the damage from some of the storms last night, and we're still dealing with showers right now. Thankfully, not the strong storms, but take a look north of the city into Harford County, Elkton. Perhaps you see there north the 83 marker into the Hereford zone. Not really lightning strikes, but potentially some wet travels for your commuting up north and northeast of the city. HG radar south looks okay, but our weather is still coming from the north and west. So that means that there is a risk of some rain this morning. Temperatures in the 70s. Oh, look at these mid 80s right now. Annapolis and Inner Harbor. We do have clouds. And again, potentially there could be a few showers. I think this may be overdoing it on the future scan, but there could be a few showers this morning. And I think even into this afternoon, a pop-up thunderstorm is going to be possible. Another hot day coming our way. I'll let you know how high the temperatures may get for you coming up in about 10 minutes.
All right, thanks, Jonathan. And we have been talking about that storm damage. So parts of, as Amber mentioned, right around Old Court, Green Spring. Just make sure that your speeds are down because you could find those down limbs. As far as the main lines, though, starting to see a sluggish ride on the Beltway, outer loop side from 70 leading down towards 40. JFX looks nice and calm. 95 does as well. Just one accident now working out along 50 right near Davidsonville Road. Back over to you.
Thank you, Candace. 6:33 happening today. More than 3 weeks after devastating flooding, Ellicott City is taking a big step forward in its recovery efforts.
In fact, Stephanie Woods has been live all morning right from Main Street in Ellicott City with what police are reopening today. Stephanie.
Although it is, going to be a long process to rebuild. But as you can see, part of Main Street has now reopened for the first time since that devastating flood hit just over 3 weeks ago. We're on Old Columbia Pike here at Main Street now. Still can't turn right here